Hello, I'm Lisa Alsept, and I've been a member of the Gorman-Rupp team for 30 years. As a supply chain scheduler at Engineered Systems, my job is to make sure the parts and materials needed for every project are available to keep orders on schedule. The ReliaSource lift and booster stations we build are made up of many different components. From pumps to motors, valves to gauge kits, it's essential that I'm aware of what's in stock, on order, and the projects moving through the shop. Every day, I balance production timing with supplier coordination, inventory management, and risk mitigation to make sure everything comes together at the right moment. It takes teamwork, communication, and a lot of attention to detail. But it's rewarding to know that it all helps deliver the high-quality pumping systems our customers depend on. I am a Gorman-Rupp supply chain scheduler, and we are the pump people.